Hello everyone, I just want to share a really interesting experiment that I've done on using Dahua artificial intelligence system. What you can see here is a police sketch of a guy as a suspect. This is Timothy McVeigh. He was responsible for the bombings that occurred in the United States in 1995, bombings that killed more than 160 people. They were looking for this guy using this police sketch that they prepared, like talking with the guys that rented a car for this guy. But what we can do with this kind of sketch with current technology, with current equipment, what you can see here is IVSS, the new platform from the Dahua, using deep learning solutions. So we put a picture inside, actually not a picture but police sketch, and we can use this sketch to search recordings from our cameras. What you have to do is only like put the similarity here, how similar the person should be. You just type in what kind of camera you want to search the recordings from and hit the search button. And from around 2,000 faces that we have in the current database, 2,000 faces, different people from different videos. Actually what you can see here are pictures of a guy and also like still frames from videos. Right now I'm using like YouTube video. It doesn't matter what kind of video you are using for this platform because it supports third-party cameras. Actually the camera, it doesn't have to use any kind of video analytics because all the analytics are based on the server of the Dahua IVSS server. What else we can do? We can put this kind of picture in our suspect list, like blacklist of inside the IVSS, and we can use this list on live cameras. As you can see here, I'm using the Dahua HDMI to ONVIF encoder, so I can just display any kind of video that I can play on the laptop. Here is a YouTube video actually, and using this video right now I can just run the face analysis software on it. As you can see here, the face is captured, and in a moment, yes, we have an alarm using the police sketch. As you can see, the similarity was almost 70%. Of course, this can trigger some kind of like false alarms, but still, when you have something like stadium, you have like train station, you don't need to stop, let's say 100 people, you just need to pick up the 10 of them, the suspects that the system will just show you. Here, for example, I'm using really low quality image. Some old analog camera recordings from the past of this guy. He is younger here, but still, look, in a moment, we have, and it's here. We have a suspect, right? On the blacklist, 69%, that this is the guy that we are looking for. Here also you can see the red border around this face. This is also like triggering the alarm. This is the person that we are looking for. What else? Look here. For example, we have another picture, another video with the picture of the guy in a moment. This is also a younger version of this guy, but still the system can compare. And here the system is like 81% sure that this is the guy that we are looking for. So as you can see, the new software, the new artificial intelligence algorithm that we have inside our Dahua IVSS platform or our face recognition cameras, we can use them to find people, the suspects on live cameras. You can use it on any camera that you have actually on the system. Imagine that you will just put this kind of server on any airport, train station, city surveillance, because this server can use this kind of analysis on up to 32 cameras. So actually you can, depending on the situation, you can just, let's say, if there is some kind of like football match, you just enable this kind of analysis of all entrance cameras that you have on the stadium. But if there is some kind of situation that you are looking for a person, suspect in a city, you can just disable the stadium cameras and enable the cameras inside the city. And you can use this kind of license just to search for the thing that you need, you're looking for on live. Or Of course, you can just run this kind of analysis on the cameras that you're recording, and then use a search function to find the person where he is. If you combine this with EMAP, let's say for the city or a shopping mall or train station, whatever, you can really precisely just find the right person, the person that you are looking for. So that's it. If you have any questions about the IVSS and the Dahua face recognition system, just find your local guy from the Dahua and ask the questions, or you can just message me on the private. Thank you for your time.